Ang laki pala ng bagay kapag lalaban ka na alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka mag-isa. I can only say it was not the perfect, but I know that it really touched my heart as a performer. Ang dami mong natatapakang pebbles na hindi mo naman, I didn't really fail. I just learned and I will keep on learning. It's a basic secret. So to maintain a good singing voice is to yung sa fraud nyo na 10 years ago, yung dream, naniniwala ako na may dream na doon, pero he was not persistent enough. He was not ready for what's next. Yung kumbaga, hindi masyadong serious yung pagmamahal niya sa craft niya. And fast forward sa 10 years, after I got a lot of adversities in life, yung sa family, kung sa rejection mo, kumbaga tinuruan ka kung paano ka mag-react sa mga next na gagawin mo sa buhay. At sobrang blessed lang ako na tumating na sa time na naibigay sa akin na nanalo ako. Tas I will never ever forget this in my life. And naging, kumbaga, yung sinabi nila na ikaw yung first Asian, ikaw yung first Filipino, historic, ganun. Bonus na lang sa akin yun. Ang mismo sa akin is yung showing that ang laki pala ng bagay kapag lalaban ka na alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka mag-isa. Because I have Michael Bublé as a coach. I have my family here. I have Utica as a family and my hometown, and of course the Filipinos around the world.
And of course, your family in the Philippines.
Sila mama
JR,
mga pinsan ko, yung kapatid ko, tapos si Aido na every time na kumakanta ko, hinahanap ko rin siya kasi kumbaga nagkaroon ka ba ng na kapag makita ko sila, yung at least ba ako na sobrang ready ako, yung baga representation ko ng family. No man is an island. Hindi ka magiging successful, and with the help of the producers, with the help of the people with the help of people who work hard for the show, magiging maganda talaga yung mundo. Kaya sana maging peaceful tayong lahat, maging grateful, huwag tayong mag-spread ng negativity. Kung may chance kang magkaroon ng ganitong video, i-share mo kung ano yung experience mo. Kasi ito, in one way or another,
who knows kung sinong buhay yung story yung matatouch nung story mo, diba?
Dati, pinapanood ko lang din itong mga ganito. Nakikita ko na sana ako yan, sana ganun. So, thank you for having me sa ating show.
Sa ating agenda mo today. Pinag-usapan natin dito sa agenda natin is your agenda, your life's agenda on how you moved from just being a dreamer to actually achieving your dreams.
And I look forward na after the win, hindi lang titigil dito. I look forward na magkakaroon pa ako ng mas maraming trabaho to still pursue. Kumbaga, dahil nanalo ako, panalo na ako and I will stop. So, I still have to champion every time. Work hard.
Right.
Kasi binigyan ka ng blessing.
Meron nga akong quote na nabasa, attorney at saka Sof, about success. Di ba sabi, success is never owned. It's just rented. And the rent is due every day.
Every day kang maging champion. Every day you make sure na meron kang goal. You don't have to be perfect, and it's really the fact that you being vulnerable.
Ano yung kanta mo para sa sarili mo?
It's a million dreams.
Sing it.
Every night ayoko na. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. Parang lahat ng colors ng rainbow, lahat ng colors ng power ng dreams, magkikislap-kislap lang siya, and ikaw na bahala kung paano mo siya gagamitin. Kaya you have to sing, you have to be grateful, and be kind. Ano ba yan? Ba't parang pinapaiyak?
And yun nga, kumbaga, umpisa pa lang ito.
And, so, thank you for everyone who's nandito pa, nakikinig.
Right.
Sa lahat po ng mga Filipinos around America na tumulong sa akin, to all people from Utica, upstate New York, Mohawk Valley, and all around the world who helped me. My family, of course, you guys, and to my coach, Michael Bublé, thank you so much for giving me this blessing. I know you always tell me that, no, it's me, but thank you so much, because being me it was the biggest culmination of you trusting me.
Yes, and of
Wow.
course, everyone here in America who supported you and believed in you. And of course, yung buong The Voice, 'di ba?
Maraming
Yung
salamat to
yeah.
all who worked hard for this show, to the producers, to the
Mhm.
people who worked. Thank you so much, and I will forever have you guys in my heart.
Yeah, and all the friends you've made along the way.
Yes, and
sa
I
The
will have the
Voice.
best family moving forward. Heh.
Okay, well,
Okay, so
thank you for joining us. And
yeah,
this
it
was
was it's a very long
Right.
conversation. It's a very long
Yun
podcast.
nga.
So
Pero it's an interesting story kasi you always can learn from someone,
Yeah.
especially coming from you, na talagang was a great image or a paragon kung ano yung journey eh.
yeah.
Di ba?
So we are closing this one with saying thank you so much for listening.
Thank
This
you
is
guys.
Anong
Anong Agenda Mo Today?
And we'll see you next time. Take care.
Question.
Yes.
Sino ba ang iyong musical influences growing up?
Growing up, big part of my music is my papa. He has been my coach. He has been yung parang nilulook up mo na galing naman yung kumanta.
Ako
Kasi
kanta din ng iyong daddy.
he really sings. So, kumakanta talaga siya at home. Tapos, every Sunday, yun yung magigising sa amin na magpa-play siya ng mga music. Tapos, gigisingin kami. Magsisimba. And then after, magkakaroon kami ng chicken and spaghetti from Jollibee. Shout out, Jollibee.
Shout
Mula
out,
bata.
Jollibee.
Mula bata po. Jollibee talaga.
Shout out ka sa Jollibee.
Hi, Jollibee. Thank you so much for sending me the food.
Baka naman pwede siyang maging
Ay,
endorser
nako.
ng Jollibee.
Masyadong malaki yun, pero ayun na nga. Yun yung totoo, parang blessing na sa amin yun. So, si Papa was my musical influence. And of
Right,
course,
right.
growing up,
Hmm.
yung big stars natin sa OPM industry, and of course, talagang hindi rin mawawala si Michael Bublé as a musical influence growing up.
What's your favorite performance at The Voice?
My favorite performance at The Voice was A Million Dreams. I can only say it was not the perfect, but I know that it really touched my heart as a performer. It really showed how vulnerable my being is, and kumbaga, that was my finale song. So, whether anong mangyari, it was the moment that people really decided that they would vote for me.
Okay, so ito, very controversial kasi pag binabasa mo yung mga comments, attorney dun sa social media, mababasa mo doon, ayan, tingnan nyo yung tinalo nyo, ngayon Voice USA na champion. What can you say about that?
Thankful ako sa mga comments nila, but I don't think na it's a point na kailangan kong paniwalaan, because all of the learnings that I've had are like pebbles ba na darating siya sa buhay mo without having the exact or without the right answer na bakit marami masyado, but later on you realize na those pebbles are given and handed to you to be used as a stepping stone in life, and magagamit mo siya to move further. And I am just grateful for those experiences, because with those defeats and losses, parang I didn't really fail. I just learned, and I will keep on learning.
Wow.
That's very beautiful.
Yeah.
That's profound.
Yeah, so ano lang, thank you, pero wag nating i-spread yung negativity, because we all are blessed to be here.
Wonderful.
I'm sure maraming gustong makaalam nito, Sof. Bukod sa, of course, you are naturally gifted with a good voice, ano ba yung sikreto ng pag-maintain mo ng iyong magandang boses?
Wow. It's a basic secret. So to maintain a good singing voice is to vocalize.
Okay, that's number
Every
one.
day you have to vocalize, whether you sing or not. You have to vocalize, because it's still a muscle. So lahat ng to ay gagamitin mo siya every day.
Wow.
And then may mga ginagamit akong mga paraphernalia. So ipapakita ko sa inyo, it was a handy nebulizer. So may mga nababasa akong comment na, mukhang may sakit siya. It was not used to